Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're diving into a professional-grade sound system built for those who demand accuracy, clarity, and power in compact form. Meet the JBL Professional AC16 Ultra Compact 6.5-inch two-way single loudspeaker, a small speaker that delivers massive sound performance worthy of the JBL Pro name. From the outside, it's sleek, sturdy, and engineered for reliability. The enclosure is built from premium birch plywood with a Duraflex finish, designed to handle the demands of professional venues while still looking refined enough for studio or home installations. Despite its compact frame, it packs serious acoustic engineering inside. At its core, the AC16 features a 6.5-inch low-frequency transducer paired with a 1-inch high-frequency compression driver, delivering true two-way performance that ensures every note, voice, and instrument is reproduced with studio-level clarity. You get a full, balanced sound, tight lows, detailed mids, and crystal-clear highs, without distortion, even at high volume levels. JBL's advanced progressive transition waveguide technology ensures smooth coverage and consistent tonal character across the listening area. Whether mounted vertically or horizontally, it provides 90 degrees x 90 degrees coverage, making it ideal for restaurants, houses of worship, conference rooms, small performance venues, or high-end home theater systems. Installation flexibility is another highlight. The AC16 supports both wall and ceiling mounting via universal brackets, making it incredibly versatile. It can also be used as a satellite speaker in distributed sound systems or as a main front-of-house unit in smaller venues. The internal crossover is precision-tuned to maintain frequency integrity and smooth transitions between drivers, while the rugged steel grille protects components from dust and impact. Despite all this hardware, it remains ultra-compact and lightweight, so it's easy to install anywhere without taking up space. Sound professionals know, JBL doesn't compromise, and the AC16 proves it once again. It's a perfect combination of compact design, powerful projection, and exceptional tonal accuracy that stands out in the professional audio world. If you want high-performance sound that fits into tight spaces without sacrificing clarity or punch, the JBL Professional AC16 should definitely be on your radar. Check the Amazon link below to get yours, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more premium pro audio and tech reviews every week.